Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So spring is so awesome. I love springtime, especially with the weather having been, where I am, cold and gray, and it's cold outside and it's cold in the world events. Like, it's just been kind of rough, right? So having said that, we're entering into one of the most absolutely beautiful, stunning times of the year. And if you're like me, I love this time of year and I pull out the pink or coral lipstick. So today we are talking about 2026 makeup trends curated especially for you, a mature woman. So today my model is Edna, and we're going to demonstrate sun-kissed skin, soft and structured brows, smoky eyes, and glossy blurred lips. So it's all about pinks, it's all about blooming flowers, it's all about being happy and looking at things from a new and fresh perspective. So let's get started. Okay, the first big trend is finding a foundation that gives a sun-kissed glow but not have a shimmer or a bronze overload. So I'm always careful that skin is hydrated. I'm sure you are too. It's really important. Then apply the foundation on and a little bit of concealer only where you absolutely need it. So in warmer weather, it's important to go much softer on foundation, concealer, and highlighter if you use that. Some people love highlighter. I'm not particularly a highlighter fan, but go for it. A CC cream in particular gives you coverage, but still lets your skin look like skin. That's my suggestion. So apply very thin layers and blend well. If you want the foundation to be more sheer, just mix a little primer or even some moisturizer or serum into the product before you apply it, and that will do the trick. Now for that springtime warmth, apply a soft bronzer placed higher on the cheekbones, not low, and then lightly across the temples and a little bit under the jowls right here for a lift. The important thing is to blend like a gangster. So this placement gives the face I went for a sunny walk and not so much of a contour overload. Contour used to be really heavy, lower, really kind of showing off your cheekbones. Now it's higher. It's much more natural looking. It's much more blended, which I am an incredibly big fan of. I love natural beauty, just your own beauty showing through. And that's what this year is representing. Okay, the second trend we're going to talk about today is one that I am super happy to leave behind, and that is overly dramatic eyebrows. So that really heavy, drawn-on eyebrow look is gone. So happy. So spring brows are softer, they're slightly lighter, and they're structured, but they're not that stamped on kind of crazy thing that happened for a while. So as we age, darker eyebrows can really harden our features. So going a bit lighter looks more natural, but not in the least bit artificial, but we still have brows, right? For gray or silver hair, try either blonde or maybe a gray eyebrow filler and maybe some gel just to pump it up just a bit. And if you still color your hair like me, be sure to blend the harsh lines and don't overly fill in your brows. Make them look much, much softer. Use short strokes if you're using a pencil and follow your natural shape. So, and also just a word for brow gel. Brow gel is great for just pumping them up a bit, just giving them that slight lift, which I really love. Okay, the third trend that I love actually is soft, smoky eye makeup. Oh my God, I love a good smoky eye. And it doesn't have to be complicated. So I love it. And we're going to show you how to do it on Edna. So this time it's softer, it's more diffused, it's more elegant. We're also seeing pastel shades on the eyelids, which adds a touch of color and springtime flair, which I love. And otherwise, I think smoky eyes can look overly dramatic, too dramatic for springtime, but that light color really helps. So, and instead of using a harsh black liner, smudge your eyeliner. You can use black, but it has to be really blended out, really smudged. Just a generous amount of blending. Just a little bit of blur with your eyeliner is incredibly flattering on mature eyes. Shades like wood, mocha, mulberry, or even sapphire for smoky eyes. Keep the darkest color close to the lash line and then lift the outer corner slightly, not too much because that can actually enhance wrinkles. And don't let it drag down because that brings your eyes down. So also, bold eyelashes are back. Curl them first if you like curling, then apply mascara from the base, wiggling it upward. The lift opens the eye instantly. If you want to add 2 coats and for a fun night out, add lashes to the outer edge for a fun flare if you'd like. Or another fun thing is to do different colors of mascara, like sapphire or green. It can be really, really fun and especially fresh for spring. Okay, one of the big surprises, this is look number 4 for spring. One of the big surprises is that metallic, yes, I said the word metallic, and frost, oh my God, are making a comeback. So I actually had a mild temper tantrum when I heard that. But before you run screaming, know that this is not the frost from the 60s or whatever year, 70s. I remember it in the 80s, right? Now it is soft, it is luminous, and it is flattering. It is not overtly like glittery and weird. So for Edna's look, we are adding a pink cream blush, and we're going to blend it into her brow bone, placing it kind of high on her cheekbone. And a rose lip balm and a neutral lip liner. So lots and lots of rose, very soft. Then I tapped a gloss or frost into the center of her lip for added pop. Be sure to blur the lip liner just a little bit. You can use your finger for this or a brush, just so that it isn't harsh at all or overpowering. The result is that her lips are very pretty, they're very soft, and they're very bright. So you can go as bright as you want on the pink lipstick, absolutely, have a great time. But on Edna, I chose to do things very neutral and soft because of the smoky eye. So Edna loved her new look, and it really goes beautifully with her silver hair and her colorful surroundings. I love all of these colors and brightness after a cold winter and all the negativity in the world, right? Putting on a sun-kissed makeup look with rosy lips and smoky eyes and feel glamorous and feel fresh and feel beautiful. I really encourage all of you to give this a go just to feel good. That's what I love about makeup and just taking care of yourself as you feel really great, right? I think we all need this right now. So please check out the product links below and be sure to subscribe so I can keep making great content for you. And don't forget to comment. I'd love to hear what you think about this look. Again, my model was Edna. I just had such a great time with her. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.